Hermes on a Docker because it's much safer. If you don't want to install it on your local computer, you install it on a Docker. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to download the Hermes repo, and you can do that with this command. Once you download it, you go into the actual folder, and then you have to build the image. So let's do that right now. Before building the image, let's fetch the latest tag so that we get a stable version and not like a beta version. And let's fetch the existing tags. So here we have, and now let's pick the latest tag. So which is the latest tag? The way to check that is that you go into the actual Hermes website, and then you go into the releases and you check which is the latest one. So basically the latest one is going to be this one. Okay, now we're gonna fetch that version like this. There it is. Now we are in this version basically, and this is where we're gonna start building the actual image. So to do that, you're gonna execute this command, docker build -t Hermes agent and then dot, and then it's gonna take a couple of minutes to build depending on your internet connection. So let's wait for that. Okay, now that it's done, let's start to run it. Let me clear this up. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna create our folder of Hermes on the root path of our host machine. In this case, it's my Mac. And then let me try in 2 steps. Okay, so how would I want to configure it? Quick setup or full setup? Let me go with let's do the quick setup. Okay, so select provider. I'm gonna go with OpenAI Codex. Let me see if this is the subscription one. Yep, seems like this is the one. Okay, so it says OpenAI, and then it says, you'll see something like this. So you have to log in with your credentials, put continue, and then it's gonna ask you for the security code. So just add this. And then you continue, and that's it. Now we have to choose which do we want. I'm just gonna go with ChatGPT 5.4, and then set up messaging now, recommended. Let's do that. Toggle by the number. Oops. I want to do 1. I want to do Telegram, and that's it. Now I have to go into my Telegram, and I have to create the bot token. So let me do that. I'm gonna go into bot father, which is like a chat. In there, I'm gonna create a bot. Create a new bot. So this bot, I'm gonna call it Hermes, just to be able to distinguish it from openclaw. Okay, so now I have to enter the token, which of course I cannot reveal the token on this video, so I'm gonna have to do it in another screen or just blur it. But basically you have to copy and paste your token here, So let me go ahead and do that. Let me move the screen out. Okay, now once I have done that, I'm going to allow user IDs. Okay, so here I'm gonna put my user ID so that only I can access my bot. So let me do that. Let me first find out which is my user ID and then put it here. Okay, so I'm also gonna do that in a separate screen. Okay, so now after I have configured that, it's asking me if I want to launch Hermes chat now. I'm going to put yes. So these are all the instructions Hermes setup. We already did that. And let's go ahead and start chatting. Okay, so here it is. Now we can ask him anything, but this is pretty much the whole setup. So it has a bunch of tools, looks cool, like browser back, browser click. That's interesting. Let's see what things he can do. So, and he has a bunch of available skills. So let's ask him like, hi, what can you do? See what he says. Well, this is pretty much the setup.